the question for me has always been like, well, what if I just like act right now how I want to, like, just skip all that, like 20 years of suffering. Like, how could
Yeah.
I do that now?
Yeah.
And
So
it's
much of
hard.
it.
It's very hard.
That's what I was going to say.
It's
It's a
very,
battle
it's
with
even harder
fear.
with kids.
It's a battle with the thing that humans aren't meant to have, meaning like genuinely, right? We are built to try to find certainty, I think, right? And to acquire resources and to pass on our genetics and all these things that like society today can seemingly give you if you
Yeah.
sacrifice your soul, right? And so I feel like you have found the ability to not succumb to that.
But it's like people are just soft too. Like just just put it in perspective.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
we're capable of so much more.
Yeah.
My grandfather was abandoned um by his father at like, I forget what it was, like 10 years old or something. And he was separated from his sisters because they didn't want to take another boy.
Mm,
Um, and he was sent to the farm and his uncle. And
hmm
he had to drop out of school and work full time on a farm while being like verbally abused.
hmm
Right. And he survived, made it work, raised a family. Um, my wife's grandfather, refugee from China, went to Taiwan in 1948 or 9, separated from his family, never saw anyone again, never
Wow.
saw his parents, never was able to reunite with his family until the 90s. Like, like unfathomable. I'll
Mm,
never get to that point in my
mm,
life.
mm.
Like, I have such a degree of like safety and comfort and
Yeah.
freedom
Yeah.
that it's like, all right, take a couple swings of like potentially having my savings go down to zero is not that big of a risk.
Yeah. You know who, by
Um,
the way, Paul, you know who said the almost exact same thing to me? Just so you know the company you're in. Tony Shea,
nice.
the founder of Zappos. Um, he almost verbatim. And I just think that
Well, he
we
had some
forget that.
challenges as well.
He did.
Um,
He did.
yeah.
Yeah.
Th-
But
But yeah, I mean, his perspective was very powerful. And I think he had a lot of pain from living in tension with the society.
exactly. I agree with you. There was something. Oh shit! I gotta ask you this. Oh,